I'm gonna make one more video just to go over everything in one, so we're on the same page. Again, we're gonna raise the transom up this height, thickness up to here, all the way across to here, and we're going to add a section, if it's possible, so the other side matches this side. See how this comes out to this corner on this radius? There's 5 or 6 inches here, needs to be added. Again, a video of the other side of it, so you can see what we're dealing with. The next thing would be to, these are just washers that are on here that come off, but we need these holes welded up on the outside, and the 2 on the inside here. And then where the kicker motor used to be, those 2 holes on the outside and on the inside. The last thing would be to remove these 2 brackets. The one that holds the anode here, we're going to take these off, cut this off, and we're going to go with a through bolted anode right here in the center, because the motors are going to be mounted literally in this area here, so we don't want that in front of it. And on this side, this is the old transducer bracket. We're going to remove that, and we'd like you to weld 2 new brackets, one on either side of the center here, one on this side and one on this side, and probably can go out, maybe 6 or 7 inches, right up against these strainers here with them. And if you look at these are just flat plate, with a little angle welded there. I'd like to have them, the new ones, since there's a lot of water pressure on these when they run it through the water, this thing moves pretty easy. I'd like to have the new ones reinforced from here back to the boat, to stiffen that up a little bit. And again, one on either side, right here and right here. The other thing I was wondering is we might need something made for the top of this aft station. We're going to be putting, before it just had a steering wheel out there with no control box, we're going to put a steering wheel back in there along with a control box that's top mounted, not side mounted. So, I'm thinking of having either, it'd probably be a lot of work, maybe just have something made that bolts to the side of this so we can mount a control box on it, and I'll get you those dimensions of the control box. Yep, that's basically it there. Alrighty. My nephew Lou's going to be dropping the boat off on Monday or Tuesday, so I won't be there, but he knows everything that's going on too. I just wanted to have just a record of it so you know we're on the same page with it. Thanks.